Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Fidaus bin Jamil. Number matrix 1220074. Our group were planning to do a type of product which is food and beverage, which is called the food sold at bike. So our group members is, the first one is Muhammad Alif bin Ismail and Muhammad Nuriman bin Mat Sekedus, Adi Haikal bin Subhi, and me, Muhammad Arif Fidaus bin Jamil, Nur Faiza binti Masyur, Muhammad Naim Naswan bin Ibrahim, Amnu bin Azhari, and Nur Huwaida binti Abdul Halim.
Right. The type of product that we are going to propose here is food and beverages, specifically Korean foods. The service that we are going to propose is the delivery to the customer's house with a combo meals of 3 sets. Why we come up with this kind of business idea is because many problems that faced by students these days. One is financial problems, because it is very difficult to find affordable and good Korean food. And of course, and second part is because students are too lazy to go out to eat. So we provide them with a food delivery service right at their home. To accomplish this project, the group members are going to be given each specific roles like cooks, packaging, delivery man, promoter, and financial manager.
Okay, the next one is key partners. The first one is Strategic Alliance, which is the members of Group 8. Second one, Cooperation, which is Communication of Student Association, Transcom. The last one is Buyer Supporter Relationship. Okay, the next one is key activities. The first one, produce Korean food, which is cooking and packaging. Promotion through social media, which is Telegram or WhatsApp. The last one is delivery of food to the customer's home.
For the value propositions, variety and affordability, offer a rotating menu every week to keep the variety exciting while maintaining affordable price package. For the delivery service, promise fast delivery within 30 to 45 minutes around Yusim and Ilai areas to boost convenience. Accessibility, use WhatsApp and Telegram ordering so customer can easily place orders without needing to download any app. Our value is clear: to make delicious Korean food fairly priced and easily accessible at the touch of a button. For the customer relationship, we save customer contact to create the customer database to send personalized promotion such as birthday discounts and loyalty rewards. We also update through WhatsApp and Telegram to send new menu updates, special offer, and behind the scenes content to make customer feel connected. We do this to focus on building close personal relationship with our customer by maintaining direct friendly communication. Next is customer segment. First one is university student. We offer student combo meals that are affordable and filling. For the university staff, provide premium lunch box targeting staff who prefer healthier or more exclusive option. For the public around Nilai, we offer free delivery promotion to residential areas near campus to attract more customers beyond students. By understanding the needs of each customer segment, we can create targeted offers that increase loyalty and sales. For the channels, uh, there are two channels, WhatsApp platform and Telegram platform. For the WhatsApp platform, set up a WhatsApp business account with automated greetings, catalog features, and quick reply message. For the Telegram, create a Telegram broadcast channel to share daily menus and flash sales. We're doing this to make it familiar, easy to access platform like WhatsApp and Telegram, ensure that our ordering is simple and fast for everyone. For the key resource, physical, raw material, vehicles, packaging material, invest in good packaging to keep food hot and fresh during delivery. For the human, Korean food production skill, marketing, financial, and management. Train our group members on basic marketing skill like poster designing and social media promotion. Financial, cash and credit. Use a shared Google Sheet file to manage expenses and track profit transparently. Our combination of physical, human, and financial resource ensure our operation is sustainable and scalable. For the cost structure, raw material, purchase ingredients based on confirmed pre-orders to avoid waste and reduce costs. For the shipping and delivery, plan multiple deliveries together in one trip to save petrol and time. Extra support that extra support to support raw material and shipping. We maintain a lean cost structure by focusing only on necessary expenses and optimizing our delivery system. For the revenue streams, self budget, use pool money from team members carefully and prioritize spending on high important item first. For the sales revenue, upsell by offering add-on like extra drinks or other side dish. For the delivery charge, uh, make a affordable delivery charge to encourage bigger purchase. We maximize our revenue through smart pricing strategies, bundle offer, and efficient use of delivery charge.